In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your hosting or email. Adding a logo to your email signature is a simple yet effective way to enhance your branding efforts, whether you're running a business or simply want a polished and professional email signature. Let's walk through the steps that will have you set up in no time. First, begin by logging into your hosting or webmail. You can easily do this by navigating to mail.hostinger.com. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon. It's usually represented by a small gear symbol that you'll find on the interface. Click on this to access the settings menu. This is where you can manage your email identity settings and make the necessary adjustments to your signature. After you've opened up the settings, turn your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find an option labeled Identities. Click on Identities, and you'll see a list of your email addresses. It's important to select the correct email address identity you want to modify. For instance, you might be selecting your personal email or a particular business email, like an address that follows the format you@yourdomain.com. Once you've made your selection, we'll move on to the fun part, adding the logo. Scroll down to the signature field at the bottom of the page. This is where you have the opportunity to really personalize your email. Within this field, you'll notice a toolbar across the top. If you prefer a quick and straightforward method, find the image icon in the editor toolbar. This icon is your gateway to uploading your logo. Simply click on it, and you'll be prompted to select an image from your computer's files. Once uploaded, your logo will appear as part of your signature, giving your emails that professional touch. Now, if you're more comfortable with coding, or you have a specific image URL you'd like to use, there's another method you can try. You have the option to switch to raw HTML mode. To do this, look for the option within the editor that allows you to toggle HTML views. Once you're in HTML mode, you can manually insert and tag where URL is the direct link to your hosted image. This method is particularly useful if your logo is already online and you want to pull directly from a URL source. After you've finished customizing your signature to your liking, whether by uploading directly or using an image URL, the last but most crucial step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, click it, and there you have it.